What's going on? I have a new TextBot promotional going on. The website, $100 texting no space, what you see there. All you do is call that number and go to that website or go through the storyboard or the video. It will tell you about everything you need to know. Yes, we all looking for some extra money. We all looking to work from home. Anybody. Now the corona is back. It's shutting everything down again. So what are we going to do? We cannot sit around and cry that we don't have no money. So what are we going to do? So this is my new promotional small card, drop card. It looks like a mini flyer, postcard, but it's not. This is what I'm promoting at this time. And I have other group pages on my Facebook page. If you are interested, go to my Facebook page or my group page and see what you like if you want to come aboard. No rush, but if you want to come aboard, be glad to appreciate it. Support the cause. Everybody, we got to support each other. We got to do the best we can to support each other in what they're promoting. Yes, we have to. We cannot run from it. We cannot do such thing. But we have to support each other. Thank you.